look at the numbers, but we forget the faces. It's not just statistics, it's the reality we breathe every day. The alarm rings, but the sleep feels so heavy. Counting every cent just to keep the boat steady. Prices on the shelves climbing up to the sky, while it stays empty while the inflation is high. The juice and power fading like an old ghost, chasing a life that we're losing the most. Struggling to breathe through the weight of the debt. End of the month is the only thing we get. It's the hardness of a life slipping through our hands, where comfort fades away under the law's demands. Families holding on, searching for a spark in a world that's getting colder and deeper in the dark. Unemployment rising like a shadow on the street, sending out resumes but facing defeat. Dignity is breaking, the spirit's getting tired, locked out of the system, no longer required. And when the body breaks and the health fades away, medicine is a luxury we can't afford to pay. Healing the bills before we heal the pain, trying to survive through the freezing rain. The city lights shine for the ones with the gold, but for us it's the concrete and the bitter cold. Gas is a poison, the rent is a thief. Living underwater, drowning in grief. The luxury windows are mocking our fate, while we wonder if there's food upon the plate. Even a smile has a price we can't meet in this blind system that leaves us on the street. I see the elders sacrificing their heat, choosing a blanket over something to eat. I see the mother holding back her tears, trying to protect her children from the fears. They talk about progress on the evening news, but we're the only ones left here with the blues. Comfort is a memory, a story from the past. We're just wondering how much longer we can last. Dreams are getting smaller, just hoping to get by, looking at the ceiling with a heavy sigh. The ladder is broken, we're stuck on the floor, while they keep on locking every single door. Mental health is sliding, but who's gonna hear when the cost of a doctor is a source of fear? We're ghosts in the machine, grinding every day, watching our best years just wither away. We're not asking for the moon, just room to breathe, to not tremble when the bank sends a letter, to not choose between the medicine and the bread. Do we even matter? We're just surviving, we aren't living anymore. We're just surviving. Walking on a wire while the wind blows strong, the silence of the struggle. Just a bit of air, just a bit of peace.